Good morning. Alright, so I've started finding the Hot Wheels Chevrolet 100 Years of Trucks in some of my local Walmarts, but so far I've only found 5 of them. So far I've picked up the 52 Chevy, the 67 Chevy, the 62 Chevy that we have here, the Chevy Silverado, and the 69. We are still looking for the Chevy Blazer, the Chevy 1500, and the 83 Silverado. When I get them all together, I'll try to do a video of all of them, but here's the 62, custom 62 Chevy Pickup. Probably one of my favorite castings that they've done. Nice card art. Well, if it'll act right. Got a couple of them. There's one out of the package. This is the newer casting, I believe. It's got the sunroof and I guess that's supposed to be a broken surfboard laying in the back. It's definitely not the full-blown surfboard. I've also got that casting in just a straight truck. Nothing in the bed of it. Kind of like that one. We got this one. Much like the 100-year custom. We've got one with the surfboard in the back. I've taken that one and actually made a little monster truck out of it. Pretty happy with it. And then finally, my favorite one, the black one. That's just a good looking truck, if you want my opinion. Alright, so there you go. That is the 62, custom 62 Chevy Pickup from the Hot Wheels Chevrolet 100 Years of Truck series, which I believe is a Walmart exclusive. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. So this casting is never going to be considered a speed demon, but let's see what they do. Alright, on your marks, get set, go.
Winner! Lane 4!
There we go.